This account has gained a lot of views, followers and subscribers by just posting hybrid animal videos. And it's trending and very easy to make. So this is what I made just using free AI tools. This tutorial is straightforward, but make sure you don't skip any part or it might not turn out good. Follow carefully and you will see why. I will divide this video into 4 parts. First one is how to get image generation prompts. 2. How to generate your images. 3. How to animate your images. And finally, how to edit. Wait, you must be wondering where the AI tools I will use, but don't worry, I will put all prompts and links in the description. Step 1. Generating image prompts. I will be using ChatGPT for this particular video, but you can also use any AI tool you want. And as you can see in the videos, it starts with image of the animals facing each other, then transition to the hybrid footage. To do that, go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you 10 hybrid animal prompt. So ChatGPT will give you 10 animals that you can use for your video. And if you are not satisfied, you tell ChatGPT to give you another 10. So you can keep trying until you get what you want. Now it's time to generate the image prompt, since what ChatGPT gave us was short. So just tell ChatGPT to give you an image generation prompt about the animals you chose. Then you tell ChatGPT again to give you an image generation prompt about those animals facing each other, and ChatGPT will give you a prompt to use. Now we have generated our prompt. Let's move to step 2, generating your images. And I will be using Leonardo AI for this video, but you can use any AI image generator. Go to Leonardo AI, then sign in with your Google account. Then after signing in, Leonardo AI will give 180 tokens you can use to generate your images for free. Click on image creation. Go the presets and select Phoenix, the go-to image dimension, then select more, then select TikTok 9:16. Since we will be making this videos for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Now we have to copy the image prompt ChatGPT generated for us. Then command paste it and click on generate. Then for Leonardo AI to generate the images for you. And you can also edit your prompt to how you want it to be. Just be unique. And Leonardo AI has generated 4 images for us, so you have to choose what you want and click on the download button to download it. So now we have to generate our second image, which they are facing each other. So copy the prompt ChatGPT generated, then paste it in Leonardo AI and generate your images. So I have already generated some I will use in this tutorial, so you can generate as many as you can. And watch till the end of the video, because I'm going to show you how to download as many images you want. When you're done generating your images, then it's time to turn our images to video, and I will be using Vidoo AI for this tutorial. Head to Vidoo AI. Then you have to sign in with your Google account, and Vidoo AI will give you 80 credit free to generate your animations. Then click on create video. Then import the image you want to animate. You can also edit your prompt to how you like and click on create to generate your video for you. So if you are okay with the animation, Vidoo AI also helps you to upscale your videos. So just click on the upscale button to upscale your video for you. Then click on the download button to download the video. So as you can see, Vidoo AI puts a watermark on the videos, so let me show you how to remove them. Go to Google and type remove background in your search. Then click on this website, and link is provided in the description. Import the videos we generated. Then scroll down and select remove logo, then draw where the watermark is and it will be removed. So do it for all the videos you created, or stick to the end of the video and I will show you 2 other ways to remove the watermark from new videos. Click on save, then scroll down and click on export. And after the video has finished processing, click the save button to save it to your computer. So do same for all the videos you created using Vidoo AI to remove all the watermarks from your video. Now let's move to the final part, which is the editing. So I will be using CapCut for this particular tutorial, but you can also use any video editor you want, and that's perfectly fine. Open CapCut and import all the footages to your media panel. Then import all the footages to the timeline, and be careful of the arrangement. Make sure the image of the animals facing each other comes first, then the hybrid video you created follows. Then you change the aspect ratio to 9:16. But if you followed the tutorial carefully, you won't have any problem. CapCut will automatically detect aspect ratio when you import them to the timeline. And if you are still watching the video, then I am going to show you how you can remove the watermark. The first on the by covering the watermark with your logo or brand name, and the second one is to crop that part out and resize your clip to fit the screen. Trim your footages to how you want them to be. Transitions are key factor when editing, so you can add transitions to your clips. So just add any transition that works best for you and increase the duration so you will have a seamless transition in your video. And also you can add some animations to the images to keep views engaged. Now it's time to add some video effects to our video, and CapCut have tons of video effects you can use in your videos for free. So for this tutorial I will add lightning effects to the videos. You can add musics and sound effects to your video when uploading them, or you can use CapCut's audio library, and there are a lot of musics and sound effects there to use, so just download and use them in your videos. But I will also show you a free website to download musics and sound effects for your video, and also add sound effects to the video. So since I use lightning video effects, I will use lightning sound effect to the video. CapCut has a lot of sound effects you can use in your videos. Edit your sound effect to match your video effects. Then add some music to your video to spice things up. Then adjust the volume of your audios. You can also add fade in and fade out to your audios. Now let's add some text to our video, so just type the names of the animals you use and place it on them. So you can even be more creative by add some voiceover to your video, which you can record by yourself, or use CapCut's text-to-speech AI tool. So Pixabay has a free library with a lot of musics and sound effects you can use in your videos for free. And there is your video, a viral AI hybrid animal video created from scratch using free AI tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell, and also leave your questions and comment, and I will be glad to help you out.